Hi everyone, and welcome to Eden's Secret. I've got everything ready to go here for today's soap. Now Lust has been one of my best selling fragrances in the wax smells, and it is suitable for bath and body. So we're going to do a red and green swirl again, because I'm going to put the holly and berries on the top. Then we've got some neon orange, titanium dioxide. That's the fragrance, and that's the soap we've got left in the container ready to go, which I'm going to add some titanium dioxide to, and some of that lovely neon orange. So let's get to doing that, shall we? Now Lust to me is one of the most magnificent fragrances that have been around for the last 15 years. It's dirty jasmine, cassie flower, rose, ylang ylang, sandalwood and vanilla. If you like a floral, I think this is the best of any floral I've ever smelled out there. It does discolour sort of to a rusty red, but it still looks very nice, and it holds the fragrance incredibly well in soap. So if you like the wax smells, you're going to absolutely love the soap. Go straight in with the pour, because this batter's already thick. That's what happens when you add quite a lot of titanium dioxide. Oh, it's gorgeous. I absolutely love this smell. It's one of the smells that I wanted for years, from the first time I ever went into Lush. But you could never get it. And then one of my viewers ever so kindly told me about this version at 4 Candles. So I bought it for candles, and I thought all their fragrances were just for candles, but they're not. Most of them can be used in bath and body as well. So I did buy the Karma, but I didn't really rate it. This Lust to me, and I know the Lust fragrance very well because I have the perfume. It's bang on. Right, now time to layer. Okay, so let's go. We're just going to drizzle the green up and down like so, and do the same with the red. I should have gone for a more fluid recipe for this one, but I'm trying to do all my Christmas soaps in that gorgeous cocoa butter recipe, which I know you're going to love more than the old recipe I had. Don't be frightened to buy it thinking it's not going to be as good. It is. It's better. I love it. Try and get a bit of a swirl in this if I can. It's hard, you see, when it's thickened up, but sometimes you get a better swirl when the soap's a little thicker, so we'll see. I'll just tap it down first, I think. Putting a little kebab stick in there. Perfect texture and time, actually. If I was going to texture the top, and I might even go in. I know I say not to do it too much, but I am today. I'm just going to try and see what happens. Funny, like this figure 8 thing, it's like something I used to draw over and over and over again when I was a kid. Did you? This shape, I would draw pages and pages. I don't know. Look how thick that is. Wow. Just as well it's the top layer, not the bottom. I'd have given up by now. We're going to need the paper scraper for this one. I've seen like some soap makers work with soap dough when it's like this, and the end results they get are absolutely brilliant. One of them is oh, I forgot what you call it. Snob Love Beauty. Probably not quite this thick, of course, but her soaps are so beautiful to look at. I think Cheeky Goat Soapy, some of hers might be fairly thick as well. She's a good soap maker as well.
I don't know what he's thinking when he'd rather spend his Christmas holiday with someone else. I guess he stopped thinking about me.
You know what
I don't know what he's thinking when he says that he's been driving all night, all day to celebrate Christmas with me. But he's not here, and I'm not there. I don't know what he wants now, but I don't care. Yeah. Oh, he ain't ringing my bells no more. Oh, he missed out on love, and that's for sure. Oh, he ain't ringing my bells no more. Oh, he missed out on love, and that's for sure. I don't know what he wants now.
Alright, it's time to pipe some mistletoe. Let's see how well we can do, shall we? So just pipe it and then drag.
Celebrate Christmas with me, 'cause you're not here.
We want some on the top as well.
I don't know what you want now, but I don't care.
Smells incredible.
You ain't ringing my bells no more. You miss out on love, and that's for sure.
And then, no mistletoe would be complete without the berries. Plenty of berries on there. Just put some on the side as well.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything?
They look so pretty all together with all that gorgeous mistletoe, just waiting for people to kiss underneath it. But that won't be happening with me this Christmas. Those days are long gone. So, as usual, I hope you enjoyed this video and get ready to see another one very, very soon. My name is Karen Morland. I run Eden's Secret Soap Company, and yeah, if you want to see more videos similar to this, just tune in every couple of days on my YouTube channel, Eden's Secret 1, which of course you're on now because you're actually watching. So thank you for watching, everyone. You'd really help me if you place a comment down in the description box below the video, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the videos, click the notification bell so that every time I upload you get that notification straight away, so you can be among the first to write and watch. I'll see you very, very soon for another video from Eden's Secret. Bye bye for now.
It's a magical time for kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose.